Let's be honest, your documentation is probably a mess. And that's not an insult, it's just reality. Documentation fails because knowledge lives in people's heads, not systems. And when people leave, the knowledge leaves with them. The result? Burnt-out support teams, slow onboarding, frustrated customers, and a growing pile of "we'll fix this later." Every tool claims they solve this. Most don't. So I went deep, way too deep, into Document360 to see if it actually fixes the documentation problem or if it's just another AI-powered buzzword machine. Document360 is an AI-first knowledge base platform, and that part actually matters. You organize content into categories and subcategories. Clean, simple, no chaos. You can start from scratch, use reusable templates for FAQs, SOPs, or guides, or bulk import existing Word docs and automatically split them into articles. Publish instantly, bulk publish, or schedule content ahead of time. Now the AI, this is where it gets interesting. Their AI assistant, Eddy, can generate full articles from prompts, turn videos or audio walkthroughs into step-by-step guides, rewrite content, summarize it, or generate FAQs in one click, while following your brand voice and style guide. But the real killer feature is AI search. Users ask real questions, not keywords, and Eddy gives them a clear, summarized answer with citations, no link dumping. This alone can eliminate a massive chunk of support tickets. Add contextual help that shows relevant answers based on what page the user is on, and suddenly your docs are proactive, not reactive. For teams, Document360 goes further with real workflows, not just draft and published, but custom approval stages, ownership, deadlines, and visibility into what's stuck. Inline comments keep feedback where it belongs, and analytics show you exactly what's working, what's failing, and what users are searching for but can't find, literally telling you what to document next. Integrations like Zendesk let support agents search the knowledge base without leaving their workflow. Now, real talk, there's a learning curve, and the best AI features live in higher tiers, so it's not for solo hobby projects or tiny FAQ pages, but for SaaS companies, growing teams, or anyone serious about reducing support tickets and scaling knowledge. This is legit. Document360 isn't hype. The AI actually saves time, the search actually works, and the system actually scales. If documentation has been sitting on your to-do list forever, this is one of the few tools that can realistically fix it. Free trial, no credit card, worth testing.